This is Khalid Iqbal speaking from Dallas, Texas. The caption of vlog is third episode on gas station business. There are two methodologies. There are two modes of taking over the gas station. One, to become a total owner, including the land, including the building infrastructure. And second, to take over the gas stations on lease basis. But following three procedures, three steps must be carried out before taking over the business in either of the mode, in either of the methodology. One, make up the mind that said gas station site is to be taken over. Then the second step is to make up the mind whether this business is to be run with alcohol or without alcohol. I salute to those individuals who run the business without alcohol. I consider them very brave and very bold people. Otherwise, most of the people coming with a meager investment from the third world countries, they wanted to sell the alcohol. Reason being, in majority of the cases, in majority of the sites, gas station business are not proving profitable without selling the alcohol. In order to sell the alcohol, one has to get permission from a authority in Texas. The name of this authority is DABC. Again, there is a big deal. You have to appear. If you are a newcomer before them, you have to tell them your sources of income, from where you brought the money. They will have a thorough interview and they will determine whether the money which you have brought, that is a white money or otherwise. Once you make them satisfied, then they give you a TABC license on the basis of which you can sell the alcohols, different type of products, and you can showcase them on their windows. Apart from this vendor, there are other vendors as well, like cigarettes, like food stuff, like grocery. So one should be ready to deal with those vendors. Among all those vendors, the vendor which supply you the cold drinks and the alcohol drinks, he's the one who will take your maximum revenue. Therefore, you must have enough budget to cater that vendor. And afterward, when you practically take over the gas stations, it is ideal if you employ your spouse, your kids who are grown up, who are vigilant, who are attentive. They should work as your employee. That will save you a lot of money, which you will spend hiring the employees from the outside. Therefore, this business is very ideal for those who are coming with families. In that case, they can utilize the member of their families, and all the money which is going to be given to the employee that get back to you at the end of the day. This business requires very much vigilance, attentivity. Reason being, you have to watch the camera. You need to make sure that your merchandise are not stolen. Your employees, they come on time, they go on time. And you need to show your high level of management and alertness. But if you pass through these steps successfully, I assure you at the end of the day, at least minimum, you will be getting 5,000 profit to the tune of 15,000 profit. But again, it requires a very severe type of consistency, determinations. Sometime you being owner have to work beyond 10 hours, beyond 12 hours, and you need to show your high level of expertise in the management, in the administrations, and all the people who are coming from overseas countries, especially in the third world countries. For them, it is a step number one. I will advise all the people who are coming from overseas countries, they need to go through my all three episodes, which this is a third one, but I have already uploaded step 1, step 2. I hope if one goes through all these videos, then there is no point of failure. And definitely then at the end of the day, you will have a profit and you will remember me, who has given you a very thorough and authentic and dependable guidance. Thank you.